Hey guys, in this video I will show you how we can set up Java development kit for Visual Studio Code. So it is very easy. So first we have to download Visual Studio Code. So open your favorite browser and search for download VS Code. So you will see the first link, which is obviously from visualstudio.com. So open the first link. Now here you will see there's in three option. We can download VS Code for Windows operating system, Linux operating system, and Mac OS operating system. So on this PC I have installed Windows, so I'll download for Windows operating system. So I'll just click over there and the download will start. An executable file will start to download. After the download is complete, open the file and you will see the installation process will start to install the Microsoft Visual Studio Code. This is a license agreement of Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So if you have time, so you can read this. So I will accept the agreement and click next. And this is the directory where Microsoft Visual Studio Code will be installed on our PC. And I'll click next. Here I'll click next, and here this is the main options. So I'll choose create a desktop icon, and I'll choose this add option with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu. This is the option when you open a specific folder in file explorer and right click there, so you will see an open with code option, and it will directly open your folder into VS Code. So we have to select this both, and I'll click next, and now I'll click install. So Visual Studio Code will start to install on this PC. So here the installation is completed, and now I'll keep this aside, uh, and I'll click finish, and now I'll search for Java development kit. Sorry, I misspelled. Now here you can see in the result the first website is from oracle.com. So we have to open this website, and now here you will see Java SE15. This is the Java SE 15.0.2 is the latest release from Java SE platform. This means Java development kit version is now 15.0.2. So here we have to install Java development kit on our PC. So I will just select here JDK download. Here after scrolling down, we will see lots of options for downloaded. This is for Linux operating system, and this is for Mac OS, and this is for Windows x64-bit installer. So I'll download this from here. I'll just click over here, and this is the license agreement of Oracle. So I'll agree and download. So here an executable file will start to download. So now the file is downloaded. So I will open the file from here, and the installation process is started now. So here, welcome to installation wizard for Java SE development kit, and this is a welcome screen. So I'll click here next. Now this is the directory where the Java JDK will be installed. So I don't want to change this, so I'll click next, and now I think the installation is started. So let the installation completed. So here we can see the Java development kit is successfully installed. So I'll close this, and now here I will open my file explorer here, and then I'll go to my local disk C, which where the Java development kit is installed. So I'll search for here, program files, then Java, then JDK 15.0.2, and the bin folder. So I'll go to the bin folder and click in this dialog, in this box, and here I will copy the path, and now I'll open start menu and search for environment. So here you can see the option edit the system environment variables. So I will open this, and you will see an environment variable button over here under the startup and recovery section. So I'll open this. Now here this is divided into two user variables for my PC name and system variables. So we have to add a Java development kit to this system variables path. So I will select path here, and I will click edit, and here I will add a new path. So I will click on new and paste the copied directory path of Java development kit. So here I have entered the directory, and so I will click OK, and here also OK. Now I will open Visual Studio Code from here on my desktop. So you can open Visual Studio Code like this, and if you want to open a folder in Visual Studio Code, so basically you have to create a folder. Suppose I create a folder. Let's create a folder. So I'll name it as Java samples, and here we have to open the folder and right click over here. So you will see an option open with code, so we have to select this option. Now here the folder will be automatically opened in Visual Studio Code. So here you can see Java samples is open over here, and this is a welcome screen, so we don't need it. We should close this, and now we will go to the extensions here, and now I will search for Java here, Java extension pack, and I'll install this. So basically it will install the extension pack for Visual Studio Code of Java. So it will take a little bit time. So here we can see the Java extension pack is installed. Now I will go to the Explorer, and here I will create a file, Java file. So suppose if I create hello dot java. Java is an extension for Java files, and so here I will click enter. So here in this file I will write some code with the help of Visual Studio Code. So if you want to write a class in Visual Studio Code for Java, you don't have to write the whole syntax. You just have to type class, and Visual Studio Code will give you the options. So I will select the second one, and it will create a class for me, and same goes for the main function. So we have to just type main, and it will give you some suggestions, and if I select this option, so it will create a main function for me. So here I will print something. So here I entered a print statement. So we can run this program directly from this option. First of all, you have to save the file. You can on autosave. This is a best option of Visual Studio Code, so you can select this. Now if you run this program, so it will compile, and you have to allow the access to the Windows Defender firewall. And now here if you see, the compilation is completed and my output is shown over here. So as I typed hello world, the hello world is shown over here in the output terminal. Suppose if I clear this semicolon, so it will give me an error. So you can see the error will look like this. Look here, expectation in thread main java lang dot error, unresolved compilation problem. So we have to insert semicolon to complete block statements. So I will put semicolon here and I'll run this, so it will show me the output hello world. So this is very easy to code in Visual Studio Code for Java developers. Visual Studio Code is best for beginners, so beginners can use this. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.